Today we're going to be changing a bike tire. The first step is getting the bike tire off. So you have your tire here, and all you need to do is hold this nut, unscrew this and this at the same time on this bike. Now most bikes are like this, and all you do is flip this up and out while holding this and unscrew it a little bit. Now you need to release the back brake. To release the back brake, all you do is push it together, and then there's a little part right here on this bike that you just pull out. Once you have it unscrewed, all you need to do is hold the seat, lift the bike up, and jiggle the tire off of its axle. Now to get the tire off, you need to squeeze, pull it back, and try to get part of the lip over the rim. Once you get that, you just take the tire and start threading it around the rim. Alright, once it's out, you need to find where the air goes in, right here, and you need to pull that little thing out. From there, pull the tube and start pulling it out, all the way out. Alright, hit the stop. Now here, as you can see, bubbles are coming out. What you want to do is take it out, see, put a little pressure so you can see the hole, dry it off, and then mark the hole with chalk. That way you know. And then continue to check the leaks. Now that you have your hole marked, depending on its size, like if it's really small, you can just patch it up. If it's larger, I recommend just getting a new tube. So if it's small like this one, all you do is take a patch and wherever the mark is, right over it. Now make sure your surface is dry before you do this. Now you have that. Come back over to your tire and find the hole where the air goes. So we got it right here. Stick the tube in.
Yeah.
This part's a little tricky. Alright, once your tube's in, you just slowly put it in like this. Make sure every part goes in. Alright, once it's in, you're just going to bend this over so that it goes over, and just continue to do that all the way through the tube. Cool. Get a little ketchup. Alright. It's a little bit trickier near the end. Alright, final step. Check, make sure your tube is not pinching. Do this, you just push, and if you see tube, then you know something's wrong. Oh. Alright. Here our air thing came right out, so we gotta fix that real quick. Just undo it a little. Give yourself some space to work with. And pull this back and push the tube through. There you go. Alright, once that's done, you're good to go. Put it back on your bike, same way you took it off. Put the brake back and pump it up. We'll go do that right now. Hit it. Getting the tire back on is usually trickier for me than getting it off. First thing you want to do is get it near the area it should be. Now this bike has a guard on it, which makes it very tricky. If you have a guard, just flick it up and get that inside. Now, make sure you're in the lowest gear, and you just gotta toy it in there. I hate this part. Alright, sometimes pushing this down helps. And this is alright. We're almost there. Just gotta fix this guard. Alright, twisting it around. Nope, gotta come out a little. Alright. Guard does not want to cooperate. So I don't have one. And no more tooling in there. Should be good. Pull that out some. Not one, two, and there we go. Alright, last step. Just put it back together. By twisting. Once it's in there, good to go. Hit it.